Why do 50% of people say, bless you after a sneeze? It's not what you think. So, the tradition of saying bless you dates back to ancient times. Some folks believed a sneeze could expel your soul from your body. Yikes, right? But here's where it gets interesting. In 590 AD, the bubonic plague was spreading like wildfire. Pope Gregory suggested saying God bless you as a prayer for good health. Pretty thoughtful, huh? Fast forward to today, and it's mostly just a polite habit. Imagine sneezing in silence, awkward. Plus, it's a great way to show you care. Fun fact, in German they say Gesundheit, which means health. And in Spanish, it's salud for health. So, next time someone sneezes, you're not just being polite, you're wishing them well. So, go ahead, spread those blessings. Gesundheit, salud, and bless you. Because, hey, everyone deserves a little kindness, right?